John Deere 4.5 liter. This is a E series. This is a long block that I found in the warehouse. So it's been sitting around a while, and the previous notes on it shows that it had a good compression test. But what we're going to do is sell it as a do-it-yourself short block. So probably leave it setting the way it is until it's sewed. And then, because if you need anything extra, we could either leave it on or add it, not as in building it, but we could add it into the shipping. So it did have a tractor, it had a little fire to it. But these do-it-yourselves, we haven't had any issues with them because we're telling you that you need to overhaul it. You need to put pistons, liners, bearings in it. So the next step is I want to show you what actually Deere calls a short block versus what everyone else assumes or what customers assume is a short block. So what I did was we used the OEM number. This may be hard to see on the screen, but we used the OEM number for the do-it-yourself, and we showed you what's included here with the Deere short block, which is just the block, the crank, the rods, the camshaft with a gear, and the oil pump. That is the only thing that is included in the Deere kit. And here I'm on the Deere website, so I'm going to take you to it so I can show you. Alright, so this is the exact engine we're working on. So here you go. You have your camshaft with a gear, you have your block, you have your liners, rods, oil pump, and crankshaft. So balancer shafts are not included. Oil pump gear is not included. So we made a sort of a la carte. Now you can't click and check out this way on this, but if you needed the oil pump gear, we've got it. This is our prices. If you wanted balancer shafts with it, that's our prices. If you needed the weights, if you need a front plate and the idler gears, if you had something that went through them, we have those. Those are a more traditional short block. And then of course, what's not included with our short block with a do-it-yourself, you know, the liners are not included. We may leave them in there and you can choose to use them, but they're not included. They're not part of the price. I want to emphasize that. We went ahead and gave you list pricing for what Deere kits and Reliance kits are. We don't sell those. You can get them you can get them online anywhere. And then here's just other related parts if you happen to need other items. And then of course, if you need a more complete engine, we have a more complete engine, but this being the lowest price point, it's going to be the first thing that draws people in. So we wanted to show that to you. If we can help you out, let us know.